Welcome. Today, we'll guide you on how to send a rotated photo on the Telegram app on your PC. Let's get started with these simple steps. Begin by opening the Telegram app on your PC and logging into your account to access your chats. Next, open the chat where you want to send the photo. This could be a chat with a friend, a group chat, or any other conversation where you wish to share the rotated photo. Within the chat, locate and click on the attachment icon. Choose the photo you want to send from your computer by selecting it. After selecting the photo, click on Open to add it to your message. Then, click on the photo within the chat to open it. Look for the rotate icon and click on it to rotate the photo in the desired direction. You can rotate the photo until it is oriented the way you want. Once you've adjusted the photo, click on Done to apply the changes. Then, click on Send to share the rotated photo in the chat. That's it. You've successfully sent a rotated photo on Telegram using your PC. Rotating photos can help you present images creatively and enhance your messaging experience. Experiment with rotating photos to find the perfect orientation for your images and make your chats more engaging. Thank you for watching.